Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to reset Krita settings to default. Simply uninstalling Krita will not reset your settings, because configuration files stay on your system even after reinstalling. The easiest method is to open Krita, go to the top menu and click on Settings. Then at the bottom you'll find Reset All Settings. Click it and confirm. In case Krita won't open because of some problem, you can manually reset it by deleting or renaming the configuration file. Locate the file named Krita. To find this on Windows, press the Window key and R on your keyboard, and on the Run dialog box that appears, type in there %local app data %. Then search for Krita on the file directory that comes up. On macOS, this file is found inside Library then Preferences. Note that file location may vary depending on set user preferences. When you find the file, rename it to something like Krita_old and restart Krita. The program will automatically generate a fresh default configuration file on launch. And that's how you reset Krita to default. Thanks for watching.